At Kiricard, we believe that paper can do more than just deliver a message. It can create a moment. Founded in 2010, Kiricard is a creative studio and manufacturer based in Vietnam. We specialize in handcrafted pop-up, combining original design, sustainable materials, and precision production. Today, our products are trusted by Amazon sellers, gift shops, and retailers across North America, Europe, and Asia. Every Kiricard product goes through a thoughtful, quality-driven process. From concept sketches to final assembly, we blend technology with traditional craftsmanship to bring ideas to life. Our 10,000 square meter factory produces over 2 million units per year, with a team of 100 plus skilled artisans. Our collection includes pop-up cards, gift boxes, flower bouquets, and custom designs, all made to surprise and delight. Our best sellers, like the flower pop-up card and seasonal series, are loved by retailers and customers alike. We care deeply about quality, sustainability, and your success. With FSC certified materials, strict quality control, and flexible B2B services, we're here to support your growth. If you're looking to add something fresh, artistic, and meaningful to your product line, let's create together. Kiricard, artful cards for memorable gifting.